Hi. On the last Labor Day weekend, we went to Williams, Arizona to visit Kaibab Lake, Dogtown Lake, Santa Fe Reservoir, and we stopped at the end in South Rim Grand Canyon. Come with us. We park our RV in a Canyon Getaway RV Park in Williams, Arizona. It was a very nice place, not too many trees, but very quiet and clean place. I will recommend this area. We stay there all the time. In the morning, we went to visit Kaibab Lake. In the afternoon, we went to Dogtown Lake. We flew our drone over there, and also we enjoyed the beautiful sunset. It was wonderful. People go here to swim, to kayak, and also to fish. We saw people catching trout, crappie, striped bass. I think it's a very nice place to enjoy the summer.
To Santa Fe Reservoir. We're at Santa Fe Reservoir, very close to Williams, downtown Williams. A lot of people fishing. It's a really nice, kind of humid day, but very close and accessible to everywhere, from everywhere, and to everyone that wants to do something fun on Sunday. A little bit of hiking, not bad. A lot of people in ATVs, of course, in this road rather than trail.
The storm kicked us out of the Santa Fe Reservoir, so we decided to go in the direction of Grand Canyon.
Rim, Grand Canyon. I think the rain was left behind us.
Entering to Salem. 64 north.
But still got a little more to go. Now we're entering Grand Canyon. We decided to come over just for the afternoon. Quickly probably see the sunset. It's got beautiful clouds because of the rain. And we haven't been in the South Rim since probably about 10 years ago. Visited many times though in the past. Not bad of a line for Labor Day weekend. Made it to the Grand Canyon for the 100 years anniversary. Just enjoying the view. South Rim.
We're doing also a time lapse, so we're gonna show those time lapse later.
You having fun?
Yeah, still have 45 pictures.
Oh wow, look at the colors now. We're here now in I-40 heading west, and we have left our campground site. We had a really nice Labor Day weekend. We're still with 80, 88, 87 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for this time of the year. Really lucky to have been at Grand Canyon on the centennial 100-year anniversary. And I'll see you, and we'll see you next time.